Ralph is a 1-year-old pit bull who is very friendly and loves to pull towards people to say hello. We're using a Halti head collar on him to prevent rehearsal of the pulling. I'm stepping on the leash in this clip because I want to minimize him rehearsing lunging at people. If I was holding the leash, my arms are like bungees, so if he was to pull, he would be able to make some headway towards a person. By stepping on the leash, I'm giving him a delineated amount of space so he knows what's expected of him. As you can see, he's happy and relaxed and getting rewarded.